So Alex Otti recently launched. Abia State just commissioned its first fleet of buses, energy buses, guys. Hey,
the 20 electric buses were officially unveiled in a ceremony attended by government officials and stakeholders. Speaking at the event, Governor Alex Otti said the initiative represents the state's commitment to a cleaner and greener future.
For this period between tomorrow and sometime in January, these buses will take our citizens to and fro free of charge. Cameras have been installed and everything that happens to the bus is recorded. If we find that you are breaking the law,
guys, if you have been active on social media, you may have come across one or two of the videos that people made whereby they said that Otti, Governor Alex Otti, our working governor, that he is just busy making noise, that it was the roads built by ex-governor Orji of Abia State, that the road that he built during his own tenure, that was the road. That is the road Alex Otti is brushing, painting, and doing certain things. Now we are clapping for him, and he is receiving the glory. So guys, as you watch this video till the end, you are going to learn one thing or the other. But don't forget to like and share this video.
Brother is brother, and brother is doing well. I did my video to here 1 hour. It was only when I was governor people used to go to that road on that level. When I left as governor, honestly, for 16 years, there was no investment in Abia North. That is the truth. But they are putting investment, and I'm very pleased.
Bagam, you are very pleased. Oh, you are very pleased. The pleased, why the pleased? I the pleased, why the pleased? Yes, I needed the pleased with what he is doing. So you guys should leave him alone to serve us. So Alex Otti, God sent to Abia State, best governor in Nigeria. Yes, Abia is lucky. Energy boss. So that one part of the painting with a brush. That one is part of the painting. You people are painting the roads, painting everything. So now he just went and painted the buses. Hey, oh yes, ni ọma de kwa mma. Oge beri mi nkịtata. Onye ọbụla sị na ihe ọma adịrị mma. Imi nkịta ka ọ ga-ebere like this. I mara that or like ihe ọma. Yotago. According to some people, they say you are gonna learn in a hard way. Wahala promise. What the way? Hey gosh. Our grace na automatic ni. Mo feraji na moto. Your grace na auto. Yes, so our grace na automatic. Muferaji no moto. Are going to bring out certain things, that this Otti's administration have done to see if they were saying the truth. They said that truth is like the moon. You cannot cover the truth. So anywhere truth is, it will be showing. Truth is blaring everywhere. So it's hard to cover the truth. So we are in this video we are going to review or check certain things, fact check certain things that have been done on this Alex Otti's administration to know if really they were saying the truth, if it is indeed he was like busy repairing, remodeling, repainting the roads built by Governor Orji, former Governor Orji Uzokano. So we are going to check, because you saw on the video where Doris Ogala said her boss, Ogande Oga, you know, Senator Orji Uzokano, that he said that the roads that people are making noise, the road that Alex Otti is claiming glory, that the roads were built by former Governor Orji Uzokano during his regime.
So what he has done, because it's just repainting and rebuilding the roads I built as a governor in the last in 1999 and 2007. I have not seen any new major road taking place like I did. Like now, I'm in the Senate, and all the roads I'm doing in communities are brand new farmland road. I've not seen him enter the farmland road. By 2 years' time, I've already done what people never believe in this state.
Okotoriba. I don't hear them. Chineke very mother very. Chai, Jesus Christ. Some people shame, they shame me. I dey tell you. Some people shame like this, they shame me, because the way people they see lies, come they blow them like say tomorrow no day. Oh my goodness. So, but we are here to check or fact check certain things to see if it is indeed Orji Uzokano that built all the roads that Abia people have been making noise, or Abia people have been praising Otti. All the good things that have been seen in Abia State, the lights, the energy buses.
Abia State is positioning itself at the forefront of clean energy transportation in Nigeria with the commissioning of its first fleet of electric buses. The 20 electric buses were officially unveiled in a ceremony attended by government officials and stakeholders. Speaking at the event, Governor Alex Otti said the initiative represents the state's commitment to a cleaner and greener future.
And I don't hear them. The project represents the cleaner and the greener future of Nde Abia, of Abia people, of Nigerians, because it's not only Abia people that are living in Abia. Cleaner and greener future of Nigerians living in Abia State. Hey, them for Jesus. Who say we know they win? The person they lie. Yeah.
For this period between tomorrow and sometime in January, these buses will take our citizens to and fro free of charge. Cameras have been installed, and everything that happens to the bus is recorded. If we find that you are breaking the law, we will trace you, locate you, and we will prosecute you. We also intend to install charging stations in different parts of Aba, Hafi, and Gomaya.
We go pepper them, oh, pepper them, oh, even though say even though say na our Otti, pepper them, oh. The roads, the markets, oh my goodness, the salary they paid to retirees. In fact, since Otti came on board, a lot has happened, you know. So, but these people just came out, Doris Ogala and her boss, Senator Orji Uzokano, they just came out on social media. They granted the interview saying that that Alex Otti is just repenting, doing all sorts of things that was built before. He was just maintaining them.
Hello guys, K1cked now watch it. Today we another series of road painting being done by His Excellency Dr. Otti. Today on Monday, the 12th day of January 2026, and Ebana Dan Obo Ebana Ososo Ako. Here in Uguna local government. What you are seeing here is an underground tunnel that converge all the flooding, because during the last administration, Karoro from Orata Pond, the Buriaga, Potako to the Buriaga Crystal Park, the Buriaga Strait to one popular Boro Pit. So, Boro Pit idea enough, you can a million by your maybe she will.
Guys, As the na-eto onye akịdị ya agwọta ọzọ, right? Let me say it in my language. As na-eto onye akịdị ya emegene ya agwọta ọzọ. And onye nkwana onye na-eme ọfụma biko kenenu ka anyị too ya na ọ na-eme ọfụma. Ihe niile abụrụ politics. Everything is a man politicize everything, especially when somebody is trying. Ka anyị nyegodi na accolade anwa. Ka enye tukene accolade. Meaning what I said is that when somebody does something good, we're supposed to at least say, oh, this person have tried, so that the person will have the energy to do more. But if somebody is trying because of politics and all that, we will try to bring the person down. That is not good, and that will not make other people to sit up and work. We want Nigeria to be good. We want Nigeria to be like other foreign countries. People are jackparring, running to other countries because of the amenities, because of the good things that they put in place there. You know, that is why many people are running away, because of good security. You know, outside the country, they have security, they have light, they have good road, they have good hospital. But here we are in our country, no good road, no good hospital. If this is your boss now, Doris Ogala, this is your boss, Orji Ozokano. If anything now, maybe he has headache now, your boss will run to outside the country to go and seek for medical help, medical treatment. You see? But you can see how Alex Otti, he rebuked. You guys say he's rebuilding, he repenting. Oh, he repented Abia State Teaching Hospital, right? And all those dilapidated places. If you build something but it's not functioning, what's the essence of building it? I'm asking Doris Ogala and her boss.
Good morning. I've just been very busy, so I've not really paid attention to Abia State politics. I saw a video my boss made, Senator Orji Ozokano, stating that Governor Alex Otti has not done or constructed a new road project in Abia, which is true. He said that Alex Otti has only been fixing and repeating his project as a governor that he, Orji Ozokano, built 2009, I'm sure. So now this morning I'm seeing another video that Alex Otti's media team brought out to counter what my senator, my boss, Oga said, Senator Orji Ozokano. Now, let me clear you guys. That video is a damage control, because if you look at that video, he only said that Governor Alex Otti, his brother, that he innovated the road he built as a governor. That the only time that road had been smooth was when he was a governor, when he constructed that road. That Governor Alex Otti has not constructed or created a new road in Abia North, which is true. All the roads in Abia you're seeing was constructed by Senator Orji Ozokano, and no other person has given or created any other access road to Abia North. Put me right, or come and prove to me that you have created a new access road in Abia, but except the one Governor Orji Ozokano did as a governor. Come and prove me wrong. Not bringing an old video where he's praising the government. Of course, he praised him for making it or innovating it, making it accessible for us to move. Not that he created a new road. That's the point he's trying to make. You guys should always listen. Governor Alex Otti media, you guys should try and do better. Social media is not reality.
I don't hear him. Hey, bagam. Oga. I don't hear him. Ndumero Oga. Oga gonna back on a Senate. Now on a floor Senate, kuro like this, may share the tears. If you had the megalo Oga, sheba about forces. If you build something and that thing is not working, is not functioning, is it not as good as not even building it? Eh? It's as good as not even building anything. If you know you will finish building something and that thing will not work and that thing will not last, don't build. So what we need now is not camouflage. Every day they will they will say they are commissioning. Yeah, every day people are commissioning roads. Before 2 days, that road you will not see it again. Water will just come like this. Only one small rain. So the road you saw like a year more or few months ago, you come back there, what you will see, your eye will not be. Is it how we are going to grow? Is it how we are going to grow? And government will award. They will award money that's supposed to build that road. Quality. So this thing we are saying, everybody's supposed to support and call these people out so that they will give us new government. Why are we covering and people that are doing good, we are not bringing them down? Maybe because some people have a godfather, because they have godfather, because of man no man. Some people may make a gasina, or they cheat. Hey, history will not forget anything anybody did on this earth. History will not forget. And this is the era of internet. People are documenting themselves. Tomorrow, posterity will not forget. Anyhow you do, it go there for you. Your grandchildren, your great grandchildren will still come across it and see the role everybody played one way or the other to make the country great. You see, so Alex Otti recently launched Energy Boss. So that one part of the painting with a brush. That one is part of the painting. You people are painting the roads, painting everything. So now he just went and painted the buses. Hey, onye isi ihe ọma dị kwa mma ọ ga-ebere imi nkịta. Onye ọbụla si na ihe ọma adịrị mma. Imi nkịta ka ọ ga-ebere like this taa. I am that or like ihe ọma. You got to go? Yes, ama m oge nọ n'Aba. I went to school in Aba. Yes, I went to school in Aba. And I know how Aba used to be when I was there. You know? So these things you people are saying, when I remember how during that regime, I was in Aba that time. During this Orji regime, I was in Aba. And I know how the Aba, all the roads there, I know how it was before. You know? I know how it was. You will see big mansion like this. Big mansion left, big mansion right. But at the middle of the road, where supposed to be road, you will see thick forest. And they will be telling you that thick forest is road. You will see pawpaw. Pawpaw will germinate. Pawpaw will germinate at the middle of the road. Omuma road. Hey, God. These people make me laugh. Oh. Because this thing you people are saying, seeing how Aba is now, and remembering how it was then, and you people are saying somebody will just come out and be yarning this up like this. It's the thing they make me they look people somehow. True. Because how can somebody see truth like this? Glaring, very transparent. Truth, very glaring and transparent. If you compare A to B, you will see the difference. Even a blind person can see. Blind person can see without putting any Google on the eyes. You know? But somebody will come and be defending something that is not defendable. Eh? We have to call a spade a spade. They no try. Yes, several regimes before this Alex Otti, they no try at all. Even the last two. Now, I don't know whether those ones, I don't know where to put the last two. Okay, Zipas. What are we going to boast now with his regime? Let us be specific. What are we going to boast with him now? Do 8 years then? I've been at Orji. During Orji, that was the time they were saying indigenous, that Imo State people are non-indigenous. Hey, God. Not the way person will go see you. Hey, God. There's one of these three governors, Orji Zokano, Orji, and Ikpeazu. See how they call somebody Ikpeazu. And yet the person want to be the last. During their regime, one of them during their regime, one of them said the Imo State people are non-indigenous in Abia State. That they cannot work, they can't get job, they cannot work as civil servants in Abia State. Hey, Aro, neni Igbo na-eme onwe ha na onye Abia Imo State ekere mbosia. They just carved Abia State out of Imo State. Not too long. Abia and Imo were one state. Abia and Imo was one state before. They now split and get Abia and Imo. Not so long ago. But can you imagine that Abia people said Imo state people are non-indigenous. They cannot work in the ministry. They can't work they can't get civil service work because they are non-indigenous. Can you imagine that? This happened in one of this trial, one of their regimes. You see, during those regimes, these three, some people, especially the retirees, nothing for them. Every time you see them, you will see retirees, you will see them, crying. You see them hustling to get paid. So Doris Ogalana came out to defend her Ogandoga. They told her to come and defend Ogandoga, and we are here to defend our own man, the man of the people, sent by God. At least we can see light now in Abia State. Before, where will you see light in Abia State? Except I pass my neighbor generator, or except you carry your own generator. Big men buy their own soundproof lister and all that. You have to power your house by yourself. Water, you have to give yourself water. Road, you have to manage, and those children will be pouring red sand on the road to fix the road so that tire can see where to pass through. Who never lived Aba before? Now somebody go come out, they talk this, yarn this about where them they yarn for this internet streets. With our own, na carry ourselves come out on internet, and whenever on carry on a matter enter internet, I be say on a one make we put mouth, and we go must put mouth. Now waiting there. If you don't want us to put mouth, no carry your wahala come inside net or online. No carry yourself come online, and if you want carry yourself come online, come it with clean hand. Come it with clean hands and truth, because if you carry lie enter, we go expose and say na lie. This one a lie, because you no go come feed people with lies on internet, whereby people that knows the truth are there. Nobody go agree that one. Say Alex Otti is just painting the roads built by ex-governor Orji Zokan. Then we go now swallow that one. Who does that now? From where? From where? Where you no go say good thing na good thing. And these people where they condemn this, then they apply this new road built by this man. They applying this road built by Alex Otti. Shame no, they catch them to pass through those roads, because the roads are too beautiful. When they are passing through the roads, they will think that, oh, maybe I'm in London, I'm in UK. But when they now look left and right, they notice that they are still in Aba. They say, wow, it's like this man is as smart also. This man, people will be praising them now, say, oh, during our regime we didn't do anything. They now plan to come and drag him. They now plan to come and drag him. Nobody, as we did now, nobody, they no fit pay us now, so we no get time for that one. But if you lie, come they drag innocent man, we don't need to be paid to defend, because the truth is there. The truth is there, clean. Yeah, the truth is very, very close to everybody. You don't need to search for it. You don't need to search for the truth, because truth is glaring, very, very glaring, transparent. Like water. It's very transparent. You can see it, that this is true or this is not true. To make una know they spill all this on a line on internet, thinking that people will just swallow it like that. No, it's not everybody that will swallow it. Nobody. No. Alex Otti is trying. Alex Otti is trying. He's working. He is the working governor. Now his type we want in Nigeria. You understand? We want that kind of governor. I wish God will give us this type of governor in all the states in Nigeria, so that nobody will complain again. When there is light now, why will you be complaining? Why would you even complain at all if there is constant light? If you want to do anything with light, you have light. If there is water, if you want to drink water, potable water, if you want to cook, if you want to use water for anything you want to do, it's there available for you. It's not that you will go and start building borehole, personal borehole, start digging well. If you go to Aba is the how will I put it? Aba is the original place. Then they build well. Well industry. Now Aba you go see them well. No compound. You will see it in different compounds where they dig well in the compound. People dig well and get their water from the well. They know they benefit water from the government. They don't benefit light from government. No good road from government. Then food is costly. Everything is costly. And yet, say we get government. But when we manage to get the good ones, the good leaders come, and everybody will be happy that, oh, thank God, this one get good heart. At least he is doing something that benefits the masses. People will be happy. Yet somebody will want to go and plan how the downfall of that person will start. We no go agree. We no go agree. If not that one, then they plan. God no go ever let them succeed. God no go let them succeed. We no go allow them. Lie. Unless Otti we stand. We go vote him any day, any time. He will be our governor. He will be a governor of Abia State. Any day, any time. Yes. Anybody where they plan anything that he will not be the governor, that person they lie. Now lie. Because seeing is believing. They believe what you did already is your record will talk for you. Your record will talk for you. There are governor it will be now. People will be campaigning. God forbid. God forbid. No. This man will never see second tenor. But you see how everybody is praying for him. This is what we want. If I were other governors, the thing that all these governors that people like, people's governor, these governors that people, Nigerians like, I will just imitate what they did and you'll be doing it. You see Sullivan Chime in Enugu State. When Sullivan was in office, people were praising him the way they are praising Alex Otti. And everything you see of Sullivan did, solid. It is still there. Every road they are applying, they will say, oh, this is Sullivan. Even dustbin. You know, I remember dustbin in Enugu, they also call it Sullivan. Please, go and throw that in inside the Sullivan dustbin. You know, Sullivan imported lots of trucks that carry debt. You know, that carry debt. You cannot go to Enugu, you see where they litter things. People, people living in Enugu, they are used to it now. You know, everywhere is clean. That is why Enugu won the award, the best clean place in Nigeria. Because the governor that laid that foundation is Governor Sullivan Chime. He laid that foundation, and that foundation still stands till today. You see Aba before, hey, very disgusting, smelling. But go to Aba now. Go to Aba now. You can even stand beside the road and eat because everywhere is clean. The roads are clean. They build road and build gutter. This your Ogandoga, the race. This your Ogandoga. Those roads he built. You said he built during his regime. Where are the gutters? Did he build any gutter to protect the road? Any gutter to protect the road? See. When I shame, they shame you. When I shame, like sometimes shame go leave person where do that thing. They shame another person where even they where the thing happen. Because when you hear certain things where people they do, in fact you go they shame for them because they are shameless. Some of them are shameless. If they are not shameless, they won't even have mouth to come out and be accusing Alex Otti of repairing or brushing or rebuilding the roads they built during their own regime. There's some people supposed to cover their faces in shame because they left nothing behind. No legacy, nothing. You can't be remembered that, hey, see what they left behind. See what? If you built road over 10 years, 20 years, that road supposed to be good today. The Simon Bakwe of blessed memory. The road built by Simon Bakwe. The high tension wires. All the high tension wires you see in Old Imo State. Old Imo State comprises of both Imo and Abia. So, majority of the roads people are claiming they built before. They are the roads built by Simon Bakwe of blessed memory. You know, the people that served their people with clean hearts, without having oju kokoro or from fojuapa. You know, Simon Bakwe ochiri Imo, chia Imo with obi ocha. hapụga ihe ejiri mara mmadụ. Ọ hara ihe njiri mara mmadụ buru ibu. Ofu bụ ọkụ. O nyere Imo niile, all the Imo. O nyere Imo niile ọkụ. Meaning he gave all the Imo states light. High tension passed everywhere, and there is light on the high tension. He made sure that he brought light from the right source, from the right place, without swallowing the money. If Simon Bakwe had swallowed the money, today Southeast will be in darkness. People will not emulate somebody like that. When you have opportunity, rare opportunity, you become president, senator, governor, whatever. People will not utilize that opportunity to show, to leave legacy. They will miss the opportunity. Instead, they will be doing misplaced priority. Misplaced priorities, that's what people focus on. And those things face away very, very easily, very quick. Misplaced priority. What they will put in front of them will be something that will not even benefit anybody. Even if it will benefit, it may be just temporary. Like before 1 year, that one have been forgotten. Or before their 8 years of tenure, that one you won't even remember that they did something like that at all around that area. Whitewash. When they want to build road, they will do whitewash. When they want to do build a government project, any government project, house will build, you know, you will see empty house. They say they told you they commission a health center, clinic, hospital. Enter inside the hospital and see no stethoscope there. Enter the hospital, so-called any hospital, you will see that nothing is there. That is why, and when their people is sick or anything happen, they will run go because they know they didn't put anything inside the hospital. They didn't equip the hospital. But you will see them bragging, oh, I'm the one, because they just put a structure, no function. They just put a structure there. Go gaga, ogogul. You know, even ogogul or nenugu. Even like governor one at Chimaroke. If you go to Parkland, see what that man built there. Building, total building like this. Enter inside the tall building. Nothing. If he can't even take his person inside the hospital for treatment. Except another governor that came, like Sullivan Chime, then equip all those things. Now, if Governor Chime equip it, you will not want him to take the glory. How? How now? How? So somebody said he built road. He built all these things that all these things. Alex Otti is shouting. He's making noise. It's not even Alex Otti that is talking. The man is an innocent man doing his job. It is we citizens that are seeing what he's doing. We are the ones that are talking. We are the ones that are saying what we are seeing. We are saying what we are seeing. No, this one is not paperwork because there are a lot of them. All those Southeast governors, many of them, their own leadership is on paper. Is on paper. You'll be seeing completed road, completed hospital, completed this, completed light, all in paper. When you go there and say, where is the road? There's one road like that I know about. That road, on paper, they said completed. What they did, they built half from Owerri. They built half. Then they now built half from the other side. Then at the middle, nothing. At the middle of the road, nothing. But on paper, that road, they say how many kilometer roads? One day I just laugh. I say, really? Is this how human being? People will just lie. I don't know why, how they will just sleep at night. I don't know how they sleep at night. Knowing fully well that this is a lie. So we divert projects. Like project that will go through this road now. So we divert it through the other road to favor whoever they want to favor. But originally, if you go to paper, you see that road is through the other side. They will divert it to another side. You know? Whitewash. Port Harcourt Road. Port Harcourt to Aba Port Harcourt Road. You see that road? That road has been there since Orji's Okano's regime. Very bad. If you see that road, oh my goodness. People wake pipe for that road. Hi. Many people wake pipe because of bad road. During those regime they are talking about. Many roads, many people pay for the road because of bad road. Even about Owerri Road. That road was built since 19 till today. I don't know if that road have been dualized. You know? That road was built 19 It's just like one lane. And it has been like one lane for a very long time. People were having different oh my goodness. Waiting God go judge, waiting God go judge, he plenty. I dey tell you, people get mad to come out and be talking like this. Go to Omuma Road. Ose get put ekiti ụzọ like this, cha, aroya. Ose get put ekiti ụzọ. Oh no eba amia, cha, aroya. Pawpaw we grow there, aroya. Pawpaw we grow at the middle of the road. Mia ike pawpaw make call like this. So can you na agba mad? Oh, when you na-ebibe ha aba. Somebody that have not lived in Abia State, they are the ones that you people will be telling. But people that lived in Abia, you can't tell us this. You can't tell us this, I beg. No just talk, no just lie to us because we know the truth. Nobody go tell us because we suffered. We are the ones that suffered it. We are the ones that are suffering it. We are the ones living in Aba. We are the ones that are suffering it. So you come out and be lying. We no go take that one. No. Nobody go take that one. So we say Jidenki Iji. Alex Otti. Onye asị Jidenki Oji. Mara na nke ọ na-eme dị mma. Yes. Onye ọbụla asị Jidenki Iji. We mara na nke ọ na-eme dị gịnị mma. Na-enye anyị ihe na-enye anyị na-afụ ya. Negodo energy boss. Negodo energy boss. Ọ dị easy. Maka ihe ha ji eme onye abụ na ha ma na ọ dịrọ easy. N'inye good governance self na ọ dịrọ easy. Onye si na and ụfọdụ nwere ike regret say I wish na opportunity ihe ya na ahụ kịta I wish na a ga-enyehachi ha opportunity ha nwere those days so that can have peace things and enye opportunity that still insinuate what are they doing for their community, those people that sent them there. Their people should be rejoicing that they have them. Next election now you see them still jumping to retain the seat that you are doing what? If you retain the seat, we are not even say you should not retain seat. But when you retain any seat, do what that seat is supposed to do. Do what it's supposed to do. If this person come and do his own work, the other person come, do his work, the other person come. That is what brings about development. Not when somebody come, you will relax. You won't do nothing. If they or you just do whatever you like to do. Just you know, even ngana eme him aka myself. Ụfọdụ eme ya ngana eme ha aka mma. You know? I beg. I think can say Oga Alex Otti nwanne K1cked Jidenki Iji. Onye na-eme ihe ọ na-eme onye asị jide ka oji. Mara na ihe ọ na-eme amaka. Ihe na-eme atọka. Anyị nwa na-ekwu. Anyị nwa ga-agwa gị ma ị na-emete ma ị dị emete. Ọ bụrụ onye na-eme ga-akọwa ma ọ na-emete ma ọ dị emete. Ọ ndị na-awọchi ya. Ndị na-eyuzi ihe a bụ ndị ga-ama ma na-emete ma dị emete. Anyị nwa na-eyuzi ya. We are the ones that are going to give you reports. We are the ones that are going to give you feedback. It's not Alex Otti that is going to tell us the feedback. We are the ones that are going to be talking, be saying what we are seeing. That will not tell him that what he's doing the right thing. But if you are working as a governor, as a senator, as a president, as a any minister, whatever, if people are not clapping for you, every day you open internet, you see insult, you know that you are not trying. But if you open internet, you see praises, people are giving accolades, people are rejoicing, people are happy. People, what they are doing is giving good, positive impact in their lives. They are happy and they are praying for you. You know that what they are doing the right thing. So, who no like better thing now? Who no like better thing? So, as we Nigerians are praying and begging for good governance, who no try good governance and why who no try ya too big. In the Nigeria na too big. What we are looking for is not too big. It's not too big. You know, it's easy. And any governor, any minister, any president can give it to us. We are not demanding for too much. We are not demanding for too much. I say, Lurie Aladi. Lurie, ye mekwena ka Aladi. Only amandi se. Sina la amandi. O ma work on. Oh yeah, the chaos. Oh yeah, you na boss na aga everywhere. You know? You can't stop people from talking when things are not going right. Okay? You can't stop anybody from talking. People must talk when things are not going right. Even when things are going right, people will still talk. But they will talk positively. They will be praising instead of cursing. So which one do you want? Do the right thing so that people will praise you. Do the right thing so that people will pray for you. leave good legacy on this earth. Nobody will live forever. It is your legacy that will speak for you. You know, very soon, some people that are old will pass. Your children and your children's children and your grandchildren and your great-grandchildren, history will not forget what you did when you were alive. So when your grandchildren grow, they will not be reading what their grandparents, how they lived their lives. They had the opportunity to feed this country, they were not able to do so because of greed. Those children will not be happy with you guys. So let's do the right thing now. It's better. All of us go by one day. Nobody will live forever. All these wealth people are packing, nobody will live forever with it. And nobody will finish eating what he or she made on earth. You know, go finish am. People where they here before or they don't pack go, they don't buy, they don't pack go. If something not buy, you go still buy naturally. You see? So why are we packing something where we no go finish before we pack? A word they say is enough for the wise person to learn. All right, guys, I'll stop here till tomorrow. We will still be sharing our thoughts, okay, on the comment section. Thank you for watching up till now. I remain your one and only African Lioness TV. See you guys in the next one. Bye for now.